at point A, the bending moment, we will put our hand at point A and see on the right side of the section A. Is there any force? There is no force to produce moment. So, bending moment value will be 0. Then we come to bending moment at point B. So, bending moment at point B, we put our hand at point B and see on the right side. How many forces are there? Only one. So, 2 into what is the perpendicular distance? 1. So, 2 into 1 and it will rotate like this. So, beam will be lifted in the upward direction. So, it is called as what? Hogging, and hogging is taken as negative. So, minus 2 kilonewton meters. Then third is bending moment at point C. So, at point C it will be 2 into what is the perpendicular distance up to point C? 1 plus 1, that is 2, negative, then 8 into 1 negative. And one thing I forgot to mention, that at point C, as it is a couple, we have to consider just right and just left of the section. Okay? So, when we are considering on the right side of the couple, then only these two forces will be considered, and when we are considering the left side of the couple, then we have to consider the couple moment. So, this will be your minus 4 minus 8. So, minus 4 minus 8 minus 12 kilonewton meters, and bending moment at point C just left. So, just left over here. So, what is acting over here? One couple. Okay. So, we have to put our hands and see on the right side. 2 kilonewton force will produce moment, 8 kilonewton force will produce moment, and couple moment is there. So, it will be minus 2 into 2, minus 8 into 1 and plus 12. Why plus 12? Because it will try to sag the beam. So, that is equal to 0. Okay? That is equal to 0. So, we have calculated our bending moment values. Now, our next step will be to draw the bending moment diagram. To draw the bending moment diagram, again we have to take a baseline, positive values above the baseline, negative values below the baseline. So, we start with first, that is, what is the maximum value we are getting? We are getting maximum value as minus 12. So, we can take it as 4, 8 and 12. Negative hai, that is why we are moving below the baseline. Bending moment at point A 0, bending moment at point B, it is minus 2. So, at point B will go minus 2. What is acting? No load is acting between A and B. So, we have to join both the points. Then bending moment at point C just right, it is minus 12. So, minus 12 over here. Again no load is acting between B and C, we have to join these points, and bending moment at point C just left, it is 0. As couple is acting, we have to draw a vertical line. We have to show the confinement of bending moment, as it is below the baseline negative. We have to write our values 2 and 12, and over here bending moment diagram. Okay. So, this is what is bending moment diagram.